Hi, this is Amy. Thanks so much for stopping by. Tonight's just a quick video to show you one of our newer creations. This is a sign that's made out of poplar wood, painted black on the top and then engraved. You can have anything that you would like engraved into your sign. You're not limited to this particular saying. It's something that someone did a custom order or specific request for. So I'm going to go ahead and right now and show you what it looks like on the back side. Like I said, it's just painted on the front. It is varnished. We do put hooks depending on what size your sign is. We do include the hanging hooks. Yours will be finished just like this. Tops and sides will be unfinished as far as the paint goes, but it will be varnished on the front and the sides. Again, it's just a quick little video to show you one of our newest creations. If you like our work, like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, give me a big thumbs up, and share. Thanks again for stopping by this evening. I appreciate you taking time to view my videos. Don't forget to subscribe when you're before you move on. Thanks. Have a good evening.